What's up everybody, how are we doing? So today this video is about putting these in. These are poly bushes. Now this is, for some reason I couldn't find a poly bush. Well, I struggled to find, obviously I did find them because I've got them here, but I struggled because these outer bushes here, they're eccentric bushings, which means that basically they twist. Even though they're a bush, they actually do, they're designed to twist. And I really struggled. And then I found these on online. I think they were through eBay actually. There's the bits for it. So, yeah, apparently it's a 44BF rear track arm outer bush kit. It's the only one I could find for a Mark 1 Audi TT, and it includes 4 of these and 4 of these metal sleeves that go in the middle. So we're going to install them. First thing we're going to do is silicone grease. I'm just going to rub those around that, like that. Get that around there like that, just to help slide in. So I originally did hope that if I put them there, took a big hammer and just then push in, that initial stage of getting them this lip inside is just a little bit too hard and a little bit too bouncy. So I've cobbled together, remove that, cobbled together some bits. Now this is just a cheapo bush pressing kit. Oh, powder coating in those holes is real. Yeah, so I've cobbled together some bits out of the bush pressing kit, and basically what we're going to do, I managed to lock that up. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Never mind, I'll fix that later. I'll spin that on that. Now, they don't take a lot of pressing in. To be honest, you could probably do this with a long bolt and a couple of big washers or something. And once you've got that lip through, you can stop pressing it in with this and just push it through. But the trick, as I discovered on the other side, is you have to keep one end still, like this one for instance, and then keep this one, and then make this one rotate. And the reason for that is because if you try and rotate this side, this bush will go in wonky. So we'll just rotate that. See, it's starting to go a little bit, so I'll just pull down. Like I say, once that lip's past there, it'll be absolutely fine because it's in and the grease will just help it slide in with the hammer. But it's just, there it goes. It's just starting to go, I felt it. Let's just press that lip. Like that. Didn't try this on the other side, but there we go. Just like that. Okay, they are tight, but they're not ridiculously tight. There we go. Wipe all that off. Tap it back a bit because it is a little bit. There we go. take a pin, move it up, push it in. There we go. Now we could take this bolt, and we can try it. There we go. And do that. I'm not sure if that bolt's the right way around, because is that going to interfere? Yeah. I feel like that bolt needs to be the other way, but I can correct that later. Now time for the other one. Next one. Gonna lube that up. In the hole. Spin that down. Yes, this project, if anybody's interested, does seem to have got a little stalled out by waiting for parts. I've been waiting a week just over for these. So as you can see now, bring you in front. That lip is what we need to get inside. So what we do is hang the big spanner off the back. That one off that side. I'll work around you, or try to. And yeah, waiting for parts. The spring pads that go on the back here, I'm waiting for those so that I can actually get the rear springs installed. But it does seem to be one of those. I've ordered them. They weren't cheap, but they're still not. They've not been actually registered as dispatched. So it is unfortunate, but it is one of those that not really a lot I can do about it. Right, that felt like that went stiff. And it feels like it's now going easy again. So just take the hammer. So that lip's just gone inside. Yeah, we'll finish that one off. There we go. So yeah, so waiting for parts it's also one of those of this is very expensive and the customer's money runs out quick. So let's just take that, beat you guys up with it, just like that. Wipe off the excess goop from around there. And then take a pin. I love poly bushes for install, I'll be honest. There we go. Now the fun part is actually going to be this bottom arm, because the other side took some pushing. I'm pretty sure this bolt goes that way. I could, if I really wanted to, go to the trouble of letting it all off, because because these are actually completely adjustable bar control arms, the alignment on this thing is going to be great fun for somebody. Not me, but somebody. There. Gravity's defeating me again. So we need to try and get that end up. I've done exactly what I said I wasn't going to do. I was going to go through from the other way, wasn't I? Alright. Swap the top one round in a moment as well. So like that. Shall just swap this one round, which shouldn't be too difficult. Famous last words. Watch this. This'll be easy. There it is. I need to twist this whole assembly. Maybe. Nope. Maybe I can just pry up with the right tool for the right job. Everything's a hammer. And everything. It's all gone wrong. Right, pry bar time. Hopefully this will make this easier. Maybe. I'm going to pry up on there, so. Like that. There we go. Tiny bit of force in just the right place. See, this rear suspension would almost be complete. If we had those rubber mounts for the bottom there. We could stick that in there like that. Very good, very nice. Then we could get our anti-roll bar, shock absorber all mounted together. We would actually have rear suspension. And then all we need is rear brakes. So I need to order the calipers. Next is, yeah, I need to get the calipers because we've obviously got these brackets, but I'm not sure which way any of it goes at this point. So I need to get calipers. I've got the discs, which I could mount on now that all this is in. So I've just got to get the discs on, get new calipers, make sure all that mounts. I do need to get the calipers painted as well, but that's not too much of a problem. There we go. Well, that's those installed. Thanks for watching. To press those out, you can use the same style pressing kit. You just need to find one the right size and push them out. They do take some pushing out, I will tell you. But that's why I like poly bushes, because they're really easy to put back in. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.